1, 2, 3. Congrats! Happy wedding day.
Congratulations, and to many, many lovely adventures ahead.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
To my dearest uncle, congrats. I can't believe you're getting married.
Big man's finally getting married. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congratulations, EJ and Carmela.
Congratulations, EJ and Carmela. Wishing you happy togetherness life ahead. Congratulations, EJ and Carmela. Wishing you a lifetime of happiness.
Congratulations, EJ. Best wishes to you, Carmela. All the best to new life ahead.
Congratulations, EJ, Carmela. Happy na, oh. Short and sweet. It's short na, nanay. Congratulations. Okay, Dad.
Okay ba?
Congratulations, EJ and Carmela. Best wishes.
-1 ka na naman.
Congratulations,
-1 plus 1.
EJ.
Debonair si Dad.
All the best.
Magpainit.
Congratulations, Carmela and EJ. Thank you.
Hi, Carmela. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Congratulations, anak. This is the new journey in your life. We wish you and Elijah endless love and happiness. Good luck and ingatan mo si Elijah, ha?
Okay, this is it. Finally, and all I can say is good luck, God bless, and this is it.
Thank you.
Hello, Bob. See you soon. Can't wait to see you in the altar as you walk down the aisle. I have my vows, but I'll read it later. I see you soon. I love you.